Good morning, everybody. We are here. Beautiful outside today. 73 degrees, partly cloudy, but still looking very good. We've got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Pudgy, watch out. Pudgy thinking he's first in the chat. We got Dark Bro first. Pudgy, Kalani, Ray. We've got Dark Bro, Frank, Nick F. Good morning to you. Pudgy, we got Old Rounder, Outdoor Smile, Michael, Dark Bro. Dark Bro hacks. It is true. Roulette wheel. What's going on, man? We got Frank. Dark Bro. 6 months of bro? I don't know. 15 months of real bro, baby. Thanks for everybody for keeping me on my toes. Some great laughs and truly the best place to be. Yes, Dark Bro, man. Thank you very much for keeping that green name. And you are a true bro, man. Loving it right now. You do got those hacks, though, man. I don't get it. You can even beat me in the chat. Robert, good morning to you. Aloha to you. JB, what's going on, JB? Precise Audio. Precise Audio Blog, what's going on? Look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. Pika Power! Back in the chat, ladies. Dang it, man. Doesn't it just feel good to be home? Oh my gosh. It really does feel a little bit better to have Pika back in the chat. I love it. 12 months of bro. What? 17 months of bro. And finally with that diamond. Pika looking good. So glad to have you back. And thank you very much for keeping that green name as well. It really does feel better that Pika's back. I don't know if it feels the same for you guys, but it feels better for me. Dark Bro, Pudgy, Gen G. Good morning to you, Gen G. Michael. My Pika, Rozzy, Precise, JB, Frank, Outdoor. All of you guys. Let's check the market out real quick. See what's happening today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at 496. It is up 1.22% of the day. Getting bounced off that resistance intraday resistance now at 510. Don't know if it's real resistance there. Shiba Inu coin sitting steady at 990, attempting 1,000. It is trying its best to break up above that 1,000 point per coin mark. Look at this, that level of this level of you know what? We're not even going to use that. No, I was going to say with this level of ascending support here is being used as ascending resistance, but I mean, that's a bold-faced lie. They just move this line when you go from the daily to the hourly. So we're still well above it, guys. We're still well above it. Shiba Inu coin, though, re-attempting 1,000 point per coin once, twice, thrice over the last 5 days here, and the upward pressure remains intact. So that is good news. I don't want to see it fall down. I want to see it rip up. My gosh, dude. Somebody send Shiba Inu coin to like 3,000 points per coin, please. That's all I want to see. All I want to see, and I know what you guys want to see, a little bit of la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pik, la pika 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 pik, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pik, la pika 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 pik, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pik, la pika 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 pik. Last time, you guys better do it with me. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek. Dark Bro, man, thank you guys very much for that. Hopefully you all did it with me. Come on now. Hopefully you all did it with me. I don't know about that. That's one of my favorite ones, Dark Bro. Thank you very much. Big old shout out to Pikachu out there with Dark Bro's beautiful dance. I like it. AMC is regular stock, right? Yes. Precise Audio Blog. AMC is a stock. It is the theater chain, AMC Entertainment. So if you've ever gone to the movie theater before and sat in an AMC Entertainment movie theater, that is the stock that we were talking about right there. Please ignore Turk. Yes. Ignore it. AMC is not a normal stock. Okay. Well, it is a normal stock in the sense that it is a normal company, but it is not a normal stock in the sense that, no, you don't just go out there and buy it and invest in the fundamental value of it. JB's right on that one. Piggy disappeared right when Shibarium is about to launch. That she did. Oh man, Happy Kitty Crypto is proposing to change the team. Interesting. Precise Audio Blog. Which team? The Layer 1 development team or the USTC repeg team? I said Satoshi a failure. Pika's not a failure. Never a failure. What's the latest? Woo! Giovanni! What do you want out there? The latest draw? I don't know what that is, man. I did it with you. Wolves! Anybody else do it with me? Or is it just me and wolves dancing together? I guess, dude. Dances with wolves, right? Isn't that like a thing? That was me today. Who's gonna tell the real PDP that his song was permanently hijacked? Dude, not me. Not me, man. PDP's a good dude, but that dude looks like a scary dude. If you cross him at the wrong time of night, man, I don't want to tell him. I guess Outdoor Smile, you're gonna have to tell him, man. You're gonna have to be the man and tell him in this one. I can't do it. Big Wow so quick and denying your only the real Shitoshi would so quickly deny that he is the real Shitoshi. Interesting. A lot of people talk about AMC, that they do precise audio blog. Clear Bro, juicy ETF free to look at for the bros. Fluctuating dividend because it's a CC ETF. I don't even know what CC stands for right now. But on next Friday, I'm likely doing a 100 share, set it and forget it, dividend reinvestment, TSLY. Very nice. Let's take a look at it right here. TSLY, guys. All right. Ooh, Tesla options income ETF. Very interesting. Yes. All right. So this actually has been doing very well over the last 6 months here, 7 months. And you know what? All right, so what do we got? Why do I have no data available for half of these things? I do not know why Weeble is not giving me full info on all of these things. Options Income Strategy ETF 1. I want to know, all right, how does this stack up against Tesla since the beginning of 2023? Very similar action, all right? Very similar action. You guys can see bouncing up. Almost triple bounce. One, two, let's call it double bounce. TSLY, very similar action, man, is the actual Tesla stock. So, yeah, it could be something to look at there, but if Tesla comes back down, I mean, look at this. It's like, let's just move the graph there. You guys can see extremely similar graphs, right? Almost identical. So if you want to kind of take advantage of Tesla's price action, wrong one. If you want to take advantage of Tesla's price action, but you don't necessarily want to buy $245 share Tesla, you could go out there and look at this one. I mean, look at this. This is nearly identical, right? Nearly identical. I figured that's what Tesla's graph looked like. But TSLY, if you guys want to look at it, very, very similar action to Tesla, but of course it only costs $15 a share instead of $250 per share. Make sure to look at that if you guys want to. Tesla's sitting at $244.80 right now, $244.90, $245, and then of course TSLY sitting at $15.06 at the moment. So keep you guys' eyes on that one. Smoked the course in 2.5 hours. Flowers, 80. What is happening? Yes. Okay, we've had a couple of nice storms the last few days. Hours even. Clibro, will be sea breaking my heart. Dark Bro, check it out in a second. Right after I say, oh, stop this smell of flowers. I'm like, what is this guy doing? Michael Allen! Mike, thank you very much for the super chat. Mike says, peaky using my money for vacations. Happy Getty Crypto overstepping his role. Dark Bro for his hacks. Rabbi Canada French side, of course. Ohio and Yard Rodents. Oh my gosh. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump, baby. Michael Allen. Mike, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, man. And yes, things do seem to be getting out of hands in the out of hand. What is this, man? I gotta come on. Just go where you're supposed to go, or I'm gonna cut you off. Getting out of hand in the Terra Luna Classic community over the last couple of weeks here, isn't it? I'm telling you. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat as well. Chris said, promised one yesterday, about to finish my route a day early. That's what I'm talking about. Had to play the game and switch the preps around. Pays to think ahead. The preps or the peeps? Switching peeps around or switching preps around? I don't know what he's doing here, but Chris, very nicely done, man. Dude, if you're finishing a day early, does that mean you get a long weekend? Chris, if you get a long weekend, man, congratulations on that, dude. Getting the work done early there. I love it, man. Oh, he says sorry. He wanted a little king. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael, you got the king action right there. He forgot the crown. Guess what? He gets the crown. I love it. Mike, do appreciate you. Chris, absolutely appreciate it. And hopefully you do get to start your weekend early there. Hello, Pika, Dark Bro, Clay, and everybody I don't see. Hello to you as well, Chris. Have you ever heard of Shiba Inu coin? About $5 worth yesterday. Oh, God. Monkey Doodle. Yeah, you almost made snot come out of my nose, man. I've heard. Yeah, I've heard of Shiba Inu coin before. Very glad that you bought $5 worth yesterday. Hopefully your 500,000 Shiba Inu coin go up to $500,000 one day. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Please don't bet on Shiba Inu coin reaching $1 just because I made that statement. But yes, I've heard of Shiba. I think I've done. Gosh, dude. I may have done 1,000 videos on Shiba Inu coin. I don't even know. I don't even know how many videos I've done on Shiba Inu coin. I may have done 1,000 videos on Shib. How many videos do I have? I want to see how many videos I have. I truly may have done 1,000 videos on Shiba Inu coin. That's a lot. No, don't play it. Oh, I almost played an audio, man. Stupid shorts, they pop up, man, and then they want to play some audios. You can't be doing that. Channel. 3.4 thousand videos, guys. 3.4 thousand videos. There is a decent chance that I have done 1,000 plus videos on Shiba Inu coin. Wow. That's insane. So yes, I've heard of it. Only 6 likes, but 27 people. Guys, click the like button. Covered call. It's a covered call ETF. All right, they sell covered calls and premium paid out as a dividend. Look at this. Oh yeah, let's look at the monthly payments on those dividends there, because guys, price action very similar. Now this is an interesting strategy. Frank, I haven't come across many of these ETFs like the one we're talking about here. Clearly the price action very similar to Tesla, right? We solve that. But let's look at how much money they're able to generate in monthly options premiums. This is an interesting one. TSLY. We got to come back out here and find it. TSLY. Look at the daily on this. All right. What do we got here in terms of monthly dividend pay? Oh, my God, dude. Look at this dividend. Dividend yield 66%. 83 cents. A buck. 80 cents, 44 cents, 82 cents, 90 cents, 90 cents, 99 cents. I'm going to put that one on my watch list. I'm going to put that one on my watch list as well, Frank, because that seems like a good one, dude. TSLY. All right. Yeah. 15. All right. Wow, dude. That is a wild dividend. And the good news is you're exposed to Tesla. Plus, it's managed for you. You don't have to go in and sell those options premiums. You don't have to go in there and trade the stock. You're sitting there, you're holding it. As long as it's not leveraged, as long as this is not a leveraged ETF, which doesn't look like it is based on the price action, dude, this could be a phenomenal ETF if these guys manage it right, man. Yeah, the dividend yield is insane there, 66%. selling covered calls on Tesla. Tesla pulling back a little bit today after a nice gain, falling back down to where it opened, essentially. Sitting at 245.18 right now. See if it breaks this descending trend line. It may break this descending trend line and go back up higher here, so watch that one if you guys are trading Tesla at all today. But you notice that descending trend line is currently being broken off that intraday level of support that Tesla is sitting at right there at the open. Don't over leverage. I see right through you. Monkey Doodle, don't over leverage. Yes, don't do it. Monkey Doodle is Simon. Monkey Doodle might be Simon, man. Hey, Chris, smack. Hit the like button like I hit that weirdo yet. Like I hit that weirdo yesterday. Justice thumb style. Oh, yes. Bone to $100. Razi, let's get started. Shiba Inu started to use as payment method in many stores. Precise Audio blog. That it is. A lot of people all over the world buying into Shiba Inu coin. You know they call Shiba Inu coin Shib for short. I'm up 5.14 cents as of today. Dude, Monkey Doodle is freaking killing it, man. Monkey Doodle is killing it on Shib. Monkey Doodle, you're actually killing it on Shib compared to a lot of people. A lot of people are down on Shiba Inu coin right now. So if you're up 5.14 cents, you're doing very well, man. Like I said, next Friday, I'm picking up 100 shares. Frank, I like it, man. A decent price to do as well. And, Frank, I'm pretty sure you could even sell options on it if you wanted to, right? Didn't I see options available? Yeah, so you're not necessarily going to be able to sell anything. The volume is not that great. And they don't really have anything for out-of-the-money call options to be able to sell right there. And then you'd be making, wow, not even a percent. I don't even know if I'd try for that extra percent right there. Selling those 16s, the 17s a month out, I don't even know if I'd try to sell those. So I wouldn't necessarily try to go sell covered calls on your own. But dude, ripping that dividend could be an excellent move on TSLY. That is not, you know what? Do they have anything similar for Apple? Oh yeah, they got all these. Alright, so they got YieldMax Amazon, YieldMax Apple, YieldMax Nvidia, Google, Meta, Netflix, Arc, Amazon. This is... Alright, Frank, let's see what these look like on Amazon and Apple as well. Alright, so these look like brand new ETFs, man. And I don't know what Amazon's graph looks like. It's not one that I look at too much. So AMZN on the daily, yeah, almost after that earnings report, dude. So really, really closely following that. These guys have not paid a dividend yet because they have not been out long enough to do so. YieldMax Apple strategy. Let's see what these guys got. I'm sure this is very similar to Amazon's or Apple's graph here. Yeah, very similar to Apple's graph as well. What does this dividend look like? This dividend is sitting at currently 33%, man. 33% dividend, 55 cents that month, 60 cents, 63 cents the month prior, 28 cents. These guys are killing it, man. These guys are killing it. Yeah, this might not be a bad strategy if you don't want to manage your own covered calls and just allow them to do so. This could be a decent idea. Well, let's look at one more. Let's look at Google. Maybe they've had Google for a while. All right, Google options. No, they haven't had it long enough to pay a dividend. Nvidia, they've paid some dividends here. 46% dividend on this one, man. So, yeah, guys, look into YieldMax if you guys don't want to sit there and do your own options income strategies. They're cooking up some crazy dividends right there. 50, 60, 30% annualized dividends plus the underlying exposure, or the exposure to the underlying asset as well. So might not be a bad idea if you want your portfolio to essentially be managed by somebody else in terms of options income being generated. Frank, excellent find on those, man. We'll see how those play out. What is Shibarium? Have you done a video on it? Yeah, Monkey Doodle, man. I can't tell if you're playing me or not. Shibarium is a layer 2 blockchain, alright? It's the blockchain that the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team is developing on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It's supposed to be making transactions bigger, faster, cheaper, stronger, whatever, all of those things. It's a layer 2 blockchain very similar to like Polygon. I don't know, I can't even think of any of those. So think of Polygon and Matic right now that Shibarium is trying to compete with. Shibarium has the necessity for bone, so if you need or want to use Shibarium, you're going to need bone in order to do so, so watch out for that. But yeah, Shibarium is supposed to make transactions cheaper for Shiba Inu coin. Chickless filet for breakfast, compliments of kicking the boys' butts today. Nice, emoji, you must have won. Set it and forget it, baby. Frank, that's a good strategy. Take any and all stress out of the market, and you have already won the game. Monkey, yes, like 1,000 covering that coin. Precise audio blog, that I do. I love free food, Mo, especially when it's because you won. It's a new trend in the market. Target stock, cover calls, ETFs. It's gaining momentum. Very nice, Frank. Yeah, I hadn't heard about it before, right? Those are providing some ridiculously good dividends. Because of the covered calls that they are sending there, or because of the covered calls that they are selling there, and the fact that you don't have to go in and do it yourself, man, that I like it. Hero, take a look at Axia. Big drop last night. It's definitely a good buy-in opportunity. Let's do it. Possibly Vecna, though. Yeah, possibly Munchie. I think Monkey Doodle might be playing me like Yankee Doodle, man. Somebody's playing me on something. Yankee Doodle Dandy, Monkey Doodle Dandy coming in. Well, I was going to say handy, but let's look at, not aimbot, let's look at Axia for Dark Bro. Ooh, looking at aimbot, though, since it's on the screen. Get off that. I don't know if Ken is still in aimbot, but remember, we talked about this yesterday. Aimbot following this ascending trend very nicely. We were a little bit concerned that if it falls down below this trend, if it falls down below this ascending trend line, the potential last level of major support it would be at this horizontal trend line. It broke both of those, so I don't know if Ken's still in or not, but it was at $9 yesterday, day before yesterday. So down to 377 right now. Watch out on aimbot, guys. AXIA. Axia Protocol. It is down 40% today. Holy smokes. Loading. Axia is loading. You think that it's loading. Promise I'm plugged into the router, man. Let's see here. Axia, $28 in volume, and that is up 956%. That is a huge decline over the... My gosh, dude, I wonder if that was just a $28 sell. $13 sell that dumped Axia 40% over the last 24 hours. Yes, Dark Bro, man. Wouldn't you just love to see one of these little glitch spikes up from half a cent all the way up to 15 cents? If that's what you get, dude, take advantage of it. My goodness. Yeah, Axia could be coming up with a buy opportunity right here, guys, because it is down 40% over the last 24 hours there. So take a look at Axia if you would like. Hoodroma 65x short still playing out on Bitcoin after profits. Thank you, brother, for all you do. Love to the bros. That Bitcoin book map showed me liquidations. Well, you know what, PS5? I'm glad that it worked out for you, man. Absolutely. Hopefully, you can make opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. The only thing you don't want to do, man, and trust me when I tell you, you can lose it all by leveraging. All right? Do not go out there and rage buy and rage buy and rage buy and double down and double down and double down. never risk too much, right? So you did very well on that 65x short, but don't ever risk too much, man. So do you think Bone will stay in the price of Polygon or Matic, or will it go to prices of BNB? I think that's why Satoshi will sell the news when Shibarium launches. Well, Matthew, so I don't think that it's going to go to prices of BNB anytime soon, right? Bone let me put it this way. I don't think that Bone is going to be capable of supporting like $100 billion valuations. I just don't think that it's got a strong enough community to do that right now. Clearly, if things grow and Shibarium becomes one of the best blockchains in the world, then we're talking. But let's come out here. In terms of where Bone is at right now, and remember, BNB was a $600 coin. Bone at a $370 million market cap. If it triples, it's at $1 billion. So you're talking $4.50. Get you $1 billion valuation. 100xing from there to $100 billion to reach like $450 levels, man. I'm extremely skeptical, okay? But let's see how it plays out, okay? If you look at this all-time graph here, yes, the $3 range is a possibility, but looking at this major resistance at $2, I would get a little cautious around this $2 mark. If we reach the $2 mark at the same time that Shibarium is being released, the last thing that you want to see as a Bone holder is Shibarium's launched, and it's got 1,000 daily transactions the first day, and 1,000 daily transactions the second day, and 1,000 daily transactions the third day. See, people are already anticipating, and there's so much stinking hype in the Shiba Inu coin community that people are anticipating, million plus transactions a day. And that's 5 times as much as we even saw on the testnet. So if those expectations are not met, that's why I expect a pullback, is disappointment. And if people are disappointed, dude, they're going to be selling off. Well, that could just create another opportunity, right? Shibarium could grow, and Shibarium could become a major blockchain. I'm not denying that. There's a lot of people in the Shiba Inu coin community that really support it, but you might have another opportunity to buy in here down at 50, 60, 70 cents. So, take some profits in that range, and then plan on buying back in if people are disappointed with the actual launch there. Clay, what do you think about the Disney ESPN pen crap Matt posted about? Would it be smart to buy options for pen? Chris, let me say this. I did not see what Matt posted. I don't know if that was his video, the They Tricked Us video, or which one it was. And I honestly, dude, I don't follow sports necessarily enough to really know what would even be going on in that situation. However, I do know that Penn ripped higher and could have been an excellent opportunity to buy some put options. So let's just take a look at it. Let's see here. I don't know if the opportunity still exists to buy these options or not. So Penn had ripped up to $29 a share from about $24 a share. It's already on its way back down here. After having fallen down to where it's at. So, do I think that it's a good opportunity to buy options to the upside or even to the downside here? That's a tough one, man. This is not a chart that I would necessarily trust to be going up. However, though, we must have put this line on here a while ago. It does have a very nice ascending, very, very long-term level of support. So the crazy thing is, on this monthly graph, this level right here of $23.5, $24 per share seems to be excellent support. I mean, look how long it's held up, dude. You got to go all the way back to the 2008 crash. And, the gains might not be ridiculous, but they're steady gains nonetheless. Oops, did not mean to move that. They're steady gains nonetheless. So knowing that they're falling back down and testing these levels at about 26, if you wanted to buy a longer term call option, you absolutely could. But as far as like buying a put option and expecting it to go down, I don't know if I'd really expect it to go down much more than it already has. I mean, this line is slightly lower than where it was on the monthly graph, as you can tell. But I wouldn't necessarily be betting on Penn to go down much more than maybe, 23.50, 24. But a 10% move to the downside, man, you can make a lot of money on puts with a 10% move to the downside. So I don't know if that's necessarily the best one to be buying call or put options on. Have you heard of Bones Coin? It has something to do with Shiba Inu, but I'm not sure. Yes, I have, Monkey Doodle. Don't know if people will flock to use it. I mean, will it be an exchange like Shiba Swap or Uniswap, or will you need to somehow pay to have your coins moved to Shib in your wallet to trade on Shiba Swap? So you're not necessarily going to need to pay to have them moved over there, but you will need to bridge them over. So knowing that, you're going to have Bone. Right, Bone is the gas fee, just like if you're trying to trade any, coin on the Ethereum network, you would need to have Ethereum. You need to have Bone if you're playing on the Shibarium network. So the interesting thing is, it's not just an exchange; it's an entire blockchain, right? So you look at Shiba Swap and so on. There could be Shiba Swap, Paul Swap, Bone Swap, Bro Swap, Swap, Don't Swap, till y'all stop. There can be unlimited decentralized exchanges on the Shibarium network. So it's not like you're just using it for a decentralized exchange, although that's a decent example of how you would utilize it, right? You could go in there and use a Shiba Swap on the Bone network, yes, on the Shibarium network, and instead of having to pay gas fees in Ethereum, you're paying your gas fees in Bone. So it will have exchanges like Shiba Swap and Uniswap on it, but that's not all that it's limited to. It's the entire blockchain. We need more hype so we can hit 1001. Yeah, roulette wheel, dude. Look, man, if we got that type of hype, I'm not even going to lie, I wouldn't wait until we hit a tenth of a cent. I would sell much before hitting a tenth of a cent. But, yeah, dude, if we got that type of hype, it would be beautiful. When's the monitor coming out? Nick F., I got to decide. So I got a new desk put together, right? And I got to decide if I'm going to put that desk behind me and put the monitor on the desk, or if I'm going to use that desk as my desk and then just put like a little table or something back there and get the monitor set up and all of that. But I just got to figure out. I already got the desk put together. I just got to figure out, what I want the outlook to be and where I want it to be. Hopefully sooner rather than later, because the monitor is just sitting right here. People have very short-term memory. Whatever happens to Pepe being the next Shib and Doge. Roulette wheel, people do have the shortest of short-term memories, man. It's absolutely wild how quickly people forget about dude, you put something shiny in front of them. Ooh. They don't stay committed to something for very long. Clay should watch the vid. Someone said it should be around the fall time. It would go up for football season. Okay, yeah, Chris, it could. And if they're talking about it going up, right, and knowing that it's like an entertainment company or a sports company, that absolutely would make sense. I just like the idea, man. If they're talking about it going up, I'm okay with that. It's just you might not get a huge spike, right? And the thing about playing options is if it doesn't go up by the fall and football season kicks in or whatever, you're going to lose your options premium. But, dude, the monthly graph actually looks really good. So if that's something, if you're into sports, man, and you know what Penn Entertainment is, and you want to buy into them, dude, I can't really argue with this graph right here. They got hit in 2020, but the entire world got hit in 2020. You know, this is the pandemic spike right here. This month was terrible, taking it from $30 a share down to $4.50 a share. That was a wild spike down. But then, you know, the current trajectory continued on. And to see that it's gone, man, from 12 cents back in 1994 to $26, dude, you're talking excellent gains over the last 30 years. And it's always followed this same trend line, which I like. If you do get in and you do see some sort of a crazy spike up, Chris, just know, okay, and this is not me telling you to sell or anything, but if you get a crazy spike back up in Penn, for the last basically 20-something years, and if you want to reduce that line a little bit there, I mean, you can even see, man, that excluding the major downturn in 2008, it has followed for the last 30 years the exact same trend line. So it always reverts to this trend. It always reverts down here. And knowing that, you know, if you spike back up, take the profit, man. Take the profit. It's got a 30-year track record of falling back down to this trend line. So, yeah, dude, I wouldn't be terribly upset about getting into Penn. I don't know if I necessarily like him or anything. I don't know anything about him. But I wouldn't be terribly upset about getting into Penn at those levels of major long-term support there. Okay, so to clarify, I got to get a Shibarium wallet to move my Bone and other coins from Coinbase wallets and pay that in Ethereum. But once it's on the Shibarium wallet, I'll use like Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet. Yes. So, as far as I know, Matthew, you would have to pay some gas fees in Ethereum to move your Shiba Inu coin, Bone, whatever you want that is mapped out to Shibarium to the Shibarium blockchain on a MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase wallet, etc. Once you've got it moved over, any and every DApp that builds on the Shibarium network, you will then be able to use. So, at the start, I wouldn't expect much, okay? Shiba Swap might be available. Paul Swap might be available, but it's going to be very limited in use right off the bat because people, you know, haven't built out for it yet. So, but yes, you've got it right, man. You're going to bridge your tokens over, paying your Ethereum gas fees, and after you pay those initial Ethereum gas fees to have your tokens moved over to the Shibarium network, essentially you're going to be able to trade in all of that stuff much cheaper on Shibarium. And then if you do want to move them back over to Coinbase, I don't know if Coinbase is going to support, you know, Shibarium tokens or not. I have no idea. So you may have to bridge them back over to the Ethereum network, pay those Ethereum gas fees then, and then move them back over to your Coinbase wallet if you'd like to cash out and so on. So there will be transfer after transfer after transfer after transfer. It'll be a little bit less complicated if, you know, Coinbase directly supports Shibarium tokens or anything on their platform, and you know you don't need to bridge back over to the Ethereum network. But that's not going to happen right away. That's not going to be something you could expect right off the bat. Let's see. Cuban Mangoes. Hey, brother, can you make a video reminding us about the Shiba Inu metaverse and all it has to offer, please? Yeah, Mangoes, probably. I don't think I'll do it today on the metaverse. They haven't really been pumping the metaverse as much as they have Shiba Inu or Shibarium lately. But yeah, I can make another video about the metaverse here pretty soon. Bad Idea AI, your thoughts? Glitch in the Matrix, man. My honest thoughts are that Bad Idea AI is some little coin that the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem's trying to pump up and pump their bags a little bit. I really don't like all of these official endorsed projects by the ecosystem team. Oh, geez, dude. Google just started talking out of nowhere. I'm like, holy crap. I really don't like all of these official projects because who's to determine what an official project of a decentralized network is? You know, we're not voting on these with the doggy DAO or anything. I haven't looked into Bad Idea AI. I just think they're trying to pump it up, man. That's all. I just think they're trying to pump it up, and I don't necessarily like that part. Check Elmo token. David, yeah, we can look at Elmo here. DraftKings is where you want your money to be, where you want your money to be in this space. Wayne well, there you go, man. I don't do any sports betting, but absolutely. Just connect to whatever DeFi exchange that accepts Shibarium blockchain connection. Does that exchange convert to the bone I pay to Shibarium walleted with Ethereum so they make their swap profit? Matthew, I don't know how the exchanges are going to work just yet. Okay, so as far as I know, dude, it is we're gonna have to see just how it plays out once the mainnet is released. I don't know how all the exchanges are gonna handle it, but yes, you can assure yourself that there will be fees associated with it, and they're gonna be taking their fees. Shib now trending on X with over 625,000 tweets. Bang, baby. PS5 future gaming. I love it, man. Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the water. Thank you very much for that authorized hydration, man. You guys have no idea what it's like. You have no idea what it's like. You do have no idea what it's like, man. Going this long without any authorized hydration, I absolutely appreciate you, Roulette Wheel, for making sure that I do not die on live stream, man. Because it's tough, dude. It's tough. And I appreciate you for throwing that hydration my way. So long, Zero. Let's get started. Are we right there? Are we knocking on that door again? Come on, Shib. Break this 0,000 points per coin. Anybody think we run past it? Anybody think we run? I want to run past that 0 right now. So if you guys believe that we break right through it, let's do it. Bad Idea AI is like ChatGPT. It can be huge. So Neimanen. Yes, it could be huge, right? But I've seen a lot of tokens now kind of promoting themselves as artificial intelligence and the latest and greatest in the space. Blockchain entropy or block entropy, whatever it is, that Edward Kim in the Terra Luna Classic network is supposedly developing. Well, great if they've got some revolution, but just being able to type in, I want a picture of a Shiba Inu coin, of a Shiba dog sitting next to the pool. That's going to get old after a while. Whether you believe it or not, that's going to get old after a while. So hopefully they can come up with some artificial intelligence that actually does something different than ChatGPT. And then, yes, I absolutely agree that it could be huge. So all the XRP talk, just hot air, or is XRP the next CBDC? Listen, I don't think that XRP is going to be a central bank digital currency, but I do believe that, banks across the world will be using XRP. So I don't think it's going to be some government-sponsored type of coin that central banks are using to control the crypto space. But, banks will be using it because they already are using it. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby! We got Moji. Thank you very much for the super chat, Moji Saint. Let's get a little superhero, super bro action. I got you. Moji. Thank you very much for this superhero, super bro, man. All right, yes, I am taking roulette wheel up on that more authorized hydration right there. So that I can take a little breath before I pass out. Thank you very much, Moji, for the super chat. Ryan says, work. Thank you very much, Ryan, for reminding me that I got to get back to work. Ryan, appreciate your super chat on that one, man. And we are working hard over here. Absolutely. Guys, we got Tesla down at the bottom left. I know you're watching. We got Shiba Inu coin at the top right. Both of them might be breaking out right now. Tesla coming back up from this descending level of... or this descending trend line that we have had all day here on the 5-minute graph. I mean, no need to really move it back over here now. It may have broken back up through that descending level of support off of this morning open. Now, of course, it could just be getting a little bit of a bounce back up into this little area where it had a tiny little level of support on the way down at about 2640, 2650. So keep your eyes on this 15-minute range right here. It may prove to be some resistance and it might curl back over, but nonetheless finding some support where it had some support this morning before the open, and then at the open, and then of course right here during the trading day it bounced off that level, and don't know if it's going to curl back over because of this level right here or not. But if it breaks back up above that level, Tesla might be going back up to the upside. Shiba Inu coin attempting to break back up above that 1,000 point per coin mark, dropping that zero for like the 5th time in the last 5 days. Hopefully Shiba Inu coin can gather its strength right now and move up, but it is just floating on that 1,000 point per coin mark. Oh my gosh, we got another one. Jeff, thank you very much for the super chat. Jeff trying to get me on this one. Jeff, I got you. Oh my gosh. Jeff, thank you very much for the superhero, super bro, dude. I love that one, but it's not as easy as you guys think it is, man. I know I make it look easy, but absolutely... Oh, God, Dark Bro. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the superhero, super bro. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the superhero, super bro. I love it, man. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Jeff, thank you very much. Moji, thanks a lot for starting this, man. Appreciate you guys on that one. Oh my gosh. All right. Jeff P is Jeff Pontier. Pontier? I don't know what it is. Someone get him some oxygen. Yes, man. Give me some oxygen. Please, her little authorized hydration or just a second to calm down, man. What's AMC's market cap? Is it $7 billion? And the stock is the same. Is it the same price? Thank you. New York Chris, what do you mean? What do you mean? AMC's market cap is, okay, 7.5 billion. It jumped up. I don't know what it was at yesterday. Let me... all right, my best guess is that this is a combination. People are anticipating the conversion taking place, right? Stock price is at the same price. And the data providers are starting to provide the combined value of AMC Entertainment and Ape shares. So, let's see where Ape is. Ape only showing a $1.74 billion market cap. But the shares outstanding are probably now at 1.5 billion. Right? Because that's the combined billion on Ape. Okay. So that's what it's going to be. 1.5 billion is what they're going to be showing for shares outstanding. Correct. You guys, can you see it? No, you can't see it. 1.5 billion shares outstanding down there in the bottom right. $1.50. Okay? No, $1.50. 1.5 billion. The problem that that's showing you right now is not the combined value of Ape shares and AMC shares. That's the combined shares outstanding between AMC multiplied by AMC's price of $5 per share. So that's why you're seeing a market cap of $7.5 billion, but that is incorrect. What it should be showing you is the $5 times the 500 million, or roughly a $2.5 billion market cap, plus the billion shares of Ape times the 1.70 that Ape is trading at, or another $1.7 billion for 3.5, roughly $4.2 billion total market cap. Not the 7.5. They should be showing you that, but they're already combining the shares outstanding of AMC and Ape, and they're multiplying it by the AMC share price, which is technically incorrect, but that's why you're seeing the number that you're seeing there. Hopefully that makes sense to you and you're still in here. Giovanni! You're number one! Hey, Giovanni, you know what you are, man? You're number one! Hey, Giovanni, you know what you are, man? You're number one! Giovanni, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one. And you are number one, my friend. You are number one. Chris, is this a little broccoli milk? I don't like sucking the bottle like that. No, I don't. Chris, I can't actually use that as authorized hydration. I have no idea how to drink out of this bottle other than just going and squeezing it. I've been exposed, ladies and gentlemen. I do not know how to drink out of this bottle in broccoli milk formation. So I'll just do a good broccoli, good broccoli, good broccoli. Chris, dude, thank you very much. I'm going to stick with that one instead of using it as authorized hydration. So please, either authorize some hydration after a normal broccoli milk or do something else. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We got a King Ice Cold, ladies and gentlemen. A King Ice Cold. And it's about room temperature, Pudgy. It's honestly about room temperature. I don't have any ice in the water bottle there, but I thank you for it nonetheless. And we got ourselves a little. Oh my god, dude. Oh, I know one of these days I'm gonna fall out of that. Oh gosh, Dark Bro, you scared me, man. Don't do that to me. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Pudgy, thank you very much. Pudgy, thank you very much. Chris, thank you very much. Giovanni, thank you very much. All of you guys, thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate it. Dark Bro, throw me upside down again. Dark Bro, thank you very much. You guys have no idea how much strain I put on this handle of this chair when I do that. I'm completely putting all of the little weight that I have on that handle there. And I know for a fact, dude, if that screw decides to give one day, you guys are going to see me come crashing back down because I am putting weight on it. And putting a lot of trust in this little Chinese screw to continue holding me up here. Oh, Pudgy! Oh, Pudgy! Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh, Dark Bro, stop! Oh, Dark Bro, doing it again. He has thrown me upside down again, man. Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Pudgy. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much, Dark Bro. Thank you very much, Pudgy. Also, not an easy one to inhale like that. Oh my gosh, Dark Bro, thank you very much. Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Pudgy. Oh my gosh, Chris, thank you guys very much for all of the super chats. Appreciate you guys on that one. You guys better be dying right now because I am semi-dying myself, man. I almost said my well. You guys have me. You guys got me going a little crazy right now. Thank you guys very much. Clay, I thought you just put the broccoli in the blender at first. Chris, that would have been a good idea to put the broccoli in the blender, but no, I didn't do it. I tried to authorize the whole hydration myself, but didn't do it. Not really sure how the voting process works for Lunk, but I think it should cost $5 of Lunk to vote, and then after the vote, it all gets burned. Yeah, Trey, so it doesn't necessarily work like that. If you have any Lunk staked, you can vote. If you do not have any Lunk staked, you cannot vote. It does cost a deposit. I don't actually know what it is. I don't know how much the deposit is right now. I know they've changed it a couple times to get your proposal up for vote. So you do have to pay to get it on Terra Station to be voted for, but you don't actually have to pay to vote. You just have to have your Lunk staked at that point. I mean, dude, if the community would agree to pay to end up voting there, then you could get that proposal passed, and hopefully, I mean, dude, burn a lot of Terra Luna Classic on the way. Visit the ER is going to be hard to explain. Jeff P. Nah, dude. I'd just bust my head open and I'd go lay down on the couch for a while. I would not go to the ER if I cracked my head falling out of the chair because of super chats. Just not gonna happen, man. AMC in the bottom left hand side of the screen. We got Bitcoin down at the bottom left hand side of the screen, throwing some more purple lines down there, coming down to 29,400. Mullen Auto sitting at 11 cents. We've got Sundial, $1.59. The Spy sitting at 446. Netflix 443. 40 cents on Highcraft Mine, and the QQQ sitting at 368. Ape sitting at $1.75. We've got MPW at 822, and Tesla. Tesla throwing some red lines, coming back down to 244.88 right now. Later, bros. Back to the future. Enjoy your day. Clay's actually good at analysis, and you guys waste all your time. Jory, man. Look, we do. Jory, I'll tell you right now, man. I feel comfortable with the analysis, right? I do feel like that, but we gotta have some fun, man. We gotta have some fun. We do like, and I really appreciate all the super chats, right? If you guys send a super chat wanting some analysis, absolutely, you're gonna get it. But at the same time, man, anybody willing to spend even $1, right? Or in Ryan Davis's case of sending like 20 cents in Indian rupees, man. The super chats are 100% priority in any live stream, no matter how dumb they might be or how silly they might be, man. You know, you don't have to spend any money to watch stuff on YouTube. So I will always have a commitment to laughing, being stupid, being dumb, and having fun on super chats. No matter how much analysis we forego with those super chats, everything on YouTube is free to view. But if you're willing to send even a $2 super chat like Moji, you will get to the King Turkey. Jory, that King Turkey is for you, man. The King Turkey is for you. Oh my gosh, Moji, man, thank you very much for the super chat. So that's what I'm saying, dude. That's what I'm saying. You guys could sit here and watch YouTube for 20 hours a day, and you'd never have to drop a single dollar. But if people are willing to send these super chats, I will always be willing to have some fun with them, man. And yes, the technical analysis will come along afterwards. Alright, it must be Clay tagging you on the Discord, sending the Matt video. Appreciate you, Chris. Thank you very much for that. I don't know if it's in the supporters chat or the community chat, but I'll check it out. I probably got a notification on my phone. Let's see here. Crypto Rocket. Oh, man, it's 101. You guys aren't going to catch me off guard this time. It's time to go. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some... I almost said we're going to do some super chats. No. We're going to do some shout-outs, and then we're going to be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys for watching, sharing, liking, commenting, all of that good stuff. Boom, baby. Crypto Rocketeer dabbing on them as always. We've got Pudgy saying, peace out of the Diamond-Handed King Clowns, baby. Later to you, Dark Bro. Peace out of the Diamond-Handed Wrench Clowns, baby. Pudgy, see you later, man. Monkey Doodle, enjoy your day. Yankee Doodle Dandy. See you later, Pudgy. We got Megan, enjoy it. Kombu, enjoy it. DD214, see you later, Dark Bro. Crypto Rocketeer, Onion News Network, Insider 5-1, purchase up 20,000 shares of DWAC today. Ooh, could get interesting. 20,000 shares of DWAC's a decent chunk of money. Bry guys, see you later. DD214, Kombu, Monkey Doodle, Frank, Moji, where wanna? In my dreams, man. In my dreams. I don't know where Wana's at, but I miss Wana. I miss Wana a lot. Kane Bro, is this... who's Kane Bro? Kane Bro's not Kombu, but he changed his picture and his name, is it? No, because Kombu coming in down there. Kane Bro. I don't even know who Kane Bro is. DD214, enjoy your day. Jeff P, see you later, Jeff P. Dark Bro, Mark L. Kombu, thank you. Thank you very much for the mustache. Kombu, I see you. I see you, Kombu. Thank you. Thank you very much for the mustache. Kombu, appreciate it. It's probably one of my favorite ones, man. Easy to do and fun as well. Kombu, appreciate it. Bry Guy, Kenneth, Chopper Man, enjoy it. Crypto Rocketeer, Kane Bro, busy at work, don't come. But I like the name, Kane Bro. Clearly you've been here for a while. I see you got that ape there next to your name, so loving it. I just wondered if you, Kombu, moved to Kane Bro, but no, he didn't. It's Kane Bro, ladies and gentlemen. DD214, Johan, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.